to pay a tribute to every woman. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. In this video, you will learn how to decorate a box with spiral flower made with foamy. It's very easy and simple. It's a perfect gift for women. Instead of simple box of chocolate, show your creative. Impress your woman by creating little crafty. Yes, I know you can do it. So let's get started. But my friend, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So whenever I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start to make spiral flower. Take red foamy sheet and cut into a small squares. It depends on your desired size. Here I took 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Make few or how much you need them. I wanted to decorate the entire box, so I made round about 180 to 200 pieces. Now cut a rough circle out. It doesn't need to be perfectly round. This way. Now cut a spiral starting from the edges of the circle. Leave a circle in the center. This is where you will fix the rolled flower. Here, cut the extra to make it perfect. Here too. It's perfect now. Make few. Keep on making it. Start rolling. Cut the spiral from the edge. Cut this way with scissor. And start rolling until you reach the center. Then with hot glue, paste it in the center to secure the rows in place. Repeat with the rest of the square pieces. For more of my craft videos, click the subscribe button if you haven't. Once all spiral flowers are ready, now it's time to arrange it. Friends, you can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, click the I button on the top or link is in the description below. Now, continue pasting flowers, calculating to adjust and paste one by one. So let's start pasting one by one on this box with hot glue gun. Keep on adjusting and paste. Now paste flowers all over so the cover is ready. Repeat till you are done. This beautiful flower box can be gifted on any occasion, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, birthday or friendship day. It's so beautiful and it's very easy. So to whomever you give, I'm sure they will love it. I am pretty much sure that you must be thinking or you must be planning to make this beautiful craft, and you are planning to gift your mother or sister or someone very close to you. So if you're planning, please let me know, and if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media. It looks awesome. Now it's time to fill this box with chocolates. This is the best gift to surprise your sweetheart with lots of chocolate in the heart-shaped box. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up and do comment below. Happy Women's Day. Do comment below which DIY you want to learn. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.